This is our factory. The product we are introducing today, the foam-filled fender, is produced here. This is our compressed testing machine on the foam-filled fender pressure test, with the advanced testing machine and testing technology to ensure the performance and quality of each product. One of the characteristics of foam-filled fenders is low reaction force and high energy absorption. Foam-filled fender has a wide range of uses. It can be used on yachts, docks, boat carriers, large tankers, ocean platforms, floating structures, harbor, wharves, and so on. After passing the test, workers check and measure the foam-filled fenders. This step checks for fender specification conformance. Each inspection process is responsible for the product, but also for the customer. Diameter, length, reaction force, energy absorption, and so on are all indicators that we need to test. Only when all indicators meet the standards can they be packaged and shipped to customers. We engineers have rich experience in the production of fender products, technical assistance for projects, and the assembly scheme of ship fender and wall fender. We engineers have built good relationships with customers from more than 60 countries and regions on the basis of highly cost-effective products. Product specifications can be customized according to customer requirements. Both product quality and service quality are maintained at a high level. If you need it, you can contact us. We wholeheartedly for your service.